When it comes to smart home upgrades, few innovations have as much potential to transform your living experience as a smart thermostat. This Ecobee3 Lite Smart Thermostat combines sleek design, advanced features, and exceptional energy savings to offer homeowners a practical, yet powerful solution for regulating their home's temperature. If you're considering switching to a smart thermostat, this review will delve into the features, benefits, and reasons why the Ecobee3 Lite might be the perfect choice for you. Why choose the Ecobee3 Lite Smart Thermostat? The Ecobee3 Lite Smart Thermostat is more than just a device that controls your home's temperature. It's a sophisticated system designed to provide convenience, energy efficiency, and long-term savings. Here's a deeper look at the core reasons why this product stands out. Number 1. Exceptional energy savings. The Ecobee3 Lite can save you up to 23% annually on heating and cooling costs. This is achieved through intelligent features like occupancy detection, which adjusts the temperature based on whether you're home or away. Imagine the savings you'll get by simply allowing the thermostat to automatically manage your home's temperature without needing to make constant manual adjustments. Number 2. Smart features that adjust to your lifestyle. With the Ecobee3 Lite, comfort meets technology. Thanks to its occupancy detection, the thermostat automatically manages temperature based on your home's activity levels. When no one is around, it reduces energy consumption, and when you return, it ensures your space is always at the perfect temperature. No more adjusting the thermostat every time you leave or return home. Enhanced comfort with SmartSensor. The Ecobee3 Lite works seamlessly with the optional SmartSensor, which detects hot or cold spots in your home. This allows the thermostat to focus its efforts on the rooms that matter most. Whether it's your bedroom or living room, ensure optimal comfort where you need it the most. Automatic adjustment for open doors or windows. With the addition of Ecobee smart sensors, the thermostat automatically pauses heating or cooling when a door or window is left open. This feature alone can prevent wasted energy and costly mistakes, particularly during extreme weather conditions. Number 3. Energy Star certified and environmentally friendly. The Ecobee3 Lite is not just designed to save you money, it's also an eco-friendly choice. The thermostat is Energy Star certified, meaning it meets rigorous energy efficiency standards. By using this device, you're reducing your carbon footprint and contributing to a more sustainable home. Number 4. Simple and quick DIY installation. Don't let the word smart intimidate you. Ecobee3 Lite makes installation easy, even for beginners. The thermostat is designed for DIY installation and comes with a power extender kit for homes that lack a C-wire. If you're concerned about your home's wiring, this feature allows the Ecobee3 Lite to work seamlessly, ensuring a hassle-free setup process. Number 5. Smart home integration. One of the most impressive features of the Ecobee3 Lite is its ability to integrate with your existing smart home system. Whether you use Siri, Amazon Alexa, or Google Assistant, this thermostat will seamlessly connect with your preferred voice assistant, giving you the ability to adjust the temperature with a simple voice command. Whether you're relaxing on the couch or lying in bed, you can control your home's climate hands-free. Why you should consider upgrading to the Ecobee3 Lite Smart Thermostat. There are a few clear benefits to upgrading to the Ecobee3 Lite Smart Thermostat. It goes beyond just making your home more comfortable. It makes it smarter. The automatic temperature control, integration with your smart home devices, and significant savings on energy costs all contribute to an improved quality of life. This thermostat's sleek design is an added bonus. Its modern, minimalist look blends seamlessly with any home decor, so it won't stand out as an eyesore on your wall. Plus, its intuitive interface makes it easy to use and navigate, even for those who are new to smart technology. But the true magic happens in the long-term savings. Whether you're focused on your budget or simply want to be more environmentally conscious, the Ecobee3 Lite delivers. By reducing energy consumption, it not only lowers your monthly utility bills, but also helps create a more sustainable environment. Final thoughts. In conclusion, the Ecobee3 Lite Smart Thermostat offers an unbeatable combination of comfort, savings, and smart technology. Its energy-efficient design, compatibility with smart home systems, and user-friendly features make it an exceptional choice for any homeowner looking to enhance their home's climate control. So, if you're ready to take control of your home's temperature while saving money and energy, the Ecobee3 Lite Smart Thermostat is your go-to solution. Don't wait. Make your home smarter today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.